Scan now. Meet Sovi, your new AI study buddy. Copper ions absorb light based on concentration, but one trial here is totally off. Let's find the error in this absorbance graph right now. According to the Beer-Lambert law, absorbance should be directly proportional to the concentration of the solution. If the concentration stays the same, the absorbance reading should also remain constant every time. The graph shows that for the final solution, the second trial recorded a much higher absorbance than expected. This means something extra was blocking the light during that specific measurement process. A fingerprint on the cuvette scatters light, which artificially increases the absorbance reading. This makes option B the only logical choice for our error. Well done! Scan the code. You can learn better with Sovi. Avoid rushing through graphs. Trust the given data and check your steps.